This is a live orchid. This is also a live orchid. Just because one has lost its bloom doesn't mean it's dead. Step away from the trash. Your orchid is just going through its natural life cycle and it will bloom again. This bloom is dying off, so we're going to go ahead and cut it as close to the base as possible. This will send energy back into the plant and allow for new blooms to develop. Here is an example of a once bloomed orchid that has been trimmed and is now showing signs of regrowth. With care and a little patience, colorful, fragrant flowers will once again bloom. Pay special attention to the light, humidity, and fertilizer needs of your orchid species. The American Orchid Society is a great resource for species-specific care. Visit aos.org for culture sheets and more information. And as always, we're here to help answer any of your questions, so visit us.